everybody from back.
No. I did on the line. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Today is on the 4th of May 2020 and it is the 11th Ramadan. Alhamdulillah. Today we are in Eastern region to distribute this food package on behalf of Umut Kervanı. Alhamdulillah, we thank them very much for this wonderful work that they are doing. You can see the poor ones among us who can't afford a meal on the eve of Ramadan are now happily engaging themselves with us to take this wonderful package. We thank Almighty Allah for this wonderful gesture, and we also thank those who sponsored this package. Assalamu alaikum.